अस्सलाम वालेकुम ऑल फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे टोयोटा टू मेक मोर स्पोर्ट्स कार्स अंडर न्यू लीडरशिप। Toyota President and CEO Koji Sato has indicated that the Gazoo Racing GR high-performance sub-brand will continue to expand and accelerate development, Autocar reported on Tuesday. Akio Toyoda, the grandson of the carmaker's founder Kichiro Toyoda, became chairman of the board of directors in April after leading the company since 2009. Speaking on the development, the new CEO of the Toyota stated, "The Gazoo brand will be acknowledged for the future and maybe we can even speed it up." Our master driver Toyoda was also president of the company at the same time as he had a steering wheel in his hand for Gazoo. Now he is only chairman, maybe will have a lot more time to develop cars for. The current GR lineup includes Spara, Corolla, Yaris, and GR86. According to industry speculations, the future lineup may include a sportier version of the fully electric BZ4X crossover. Toyota has publicly tested hydrogen combustion power in a endurance racing Corolla and a GR Yaris demonstrator. Toyota showed lifestyle and commercial EV concepts at the end of 2021, including a low-slung rear mid-engined sports car like the MR2. Toyota's sports car concept could compete with the fully electric Porsche 718 range and the Lotus developed एल्पाइन एव स्पोर्ट्स कार। तो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए इंतहाई अहम होगी। इस तरह की मजीद मालूमाती और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली तमाम तरह इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक बआसानी और टाइम पर पहुंच सकें। थैंक्स एंड अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।